Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our monetary spirit wey they call the Athletic don't come outside, they let us know say the England FA they investigate one Arsenal match where Arsenal play. They can't get unusual yellow card for that match. Women people use and chop money for sports bet to get all the bookmakers now write petition go give the FA say e get something unusual wey happen for this match. Say a lot of people predict say one particular player will collect card and that particular player come collect card. Many people come use and chop money say abeg make una help us look into this matter. Though unofficially I don do research come get from my sources wey come dey let me know say this particular match na the match wey Arsenal play against Leeds United wey Arsenal win 4-1 and the particular player wey dem dey reason say na him connive with people for sports bet na him be Granit Xhaka. This Granit Xhaka collect yellow card for 88 minutes and no be say na normal foul him do, say na time wasting na him the guy go dey come give am yellow card. So though the Athletic no mention Xhaka name, but other sources dey talk say that player na Granit Xhaka and the match na Arsenal vs Leeds. Even though the FA because they know they investigate Xhaka per se, so they investigate the unusual activity whether e get any merit for a formal investigation. Say now they just dey scam the matter. Even the Athletic sef go meet Arsenal say Arsenal see wetin dey happen for the media domain o. Wetin una get to talk? Arsenal say no comment. We are not commenting on anything. We will never know how this investigation go go. Whether anything go happen to Xhaka, we never really know. But they say many people chop money on top Xhaka head. Say Xhaka will collect card for that match and Baba sef wey disappoint to collect card for the match. Well, anyhow wey this story dey go, I go let una know. At the same time, news wey we dey hear from Catalonia be say Barcelona don alert everybody say Dembele is available for a sale for this January because Dembele and him team dem no gree sign a contract extension and Xavi don come outside give am law say if you want to play for me you need to sign a contract extension. That is the law. If not, we sell you this January. So as Dembele no gree sign, Xavi don let everybody know say okay, this guy is available for a move. I mean, I don't forget say Arsenal sef don go for this guy once upon a time say dem dey interested. So now we say the guy don dey officially for the market. We never know whether Arsenal will go back for this guy. So I think I bring this news for our attention. So now we like make Arsenal go for this Dembele. Dembele sef good o, na nice player, very pacey, very tricky and very young. You get, he never reach a peak, he can still grow. Wetin una think about it? Shey mo go for am and mo no go for am. At the same time, Otomelo agents wey dem dey call Federico Pastorello don arrive for London Coney come discuss a move for the agent. And wetin make this one dey possible be say Juventus don see replacement in Denis Zakaria and Piccolo of Genoa. So na these two people that they really say they want use to replace Otomelo. So we never know how e go be. So more dey hope say by this January say Arsenal sef go fit carry this Otomelo come. Well, more dey watch as the agents now don come London Coney. Dey very optimistic say a deal is on the way soon. A deal they go announce am say Arsenal have finally signed Otomelo on loan from Juventus. All the waters they go. Even still on the Otomelo news, our monitoring spirit wey they call Gazzetto dello Sport don come outside. They let us know say Juventus don agree say Arsenal go sign Otomelo. They don agree to allow Otomelo move, but they can't give us conditions. Say instead of us to carry the guy on loan from now till the end of the season, they would like make Arsenal collect this guy for an 18-month loan, which means after a loan for the end of the season, we will still carry the guy for next year, a whole next year. So it dey left for Arsenal to decide whether na the 6 months loan they want, abi na the 18 months loan they want. But for me, I go think say this deal na sweet deal because they're not paying too much, they're just paying only the player salary. It's a win-win for Arsenal. Use the guy on loan. Then if the guy can play very well, hey, you can now sign him later on. I don't know how wetin una think about this deal because your player say they don't over bless us. We dey find 6 months deal, they only offer us 18 months again. I don't know wetin make them don change. Is it because they've seen a replacement wey they don change from no, we are not giving him out for now, biggest party, so okay, we are giving you, but instead of the 6 months we are requesting, we are take 18 months. That's this kind of blessing wey God don take bless us. And Otomelo na baller, guy, if you fit get this guy for your meeting, guy dey play ball. You see Barcelona no dey sign anyhow person, they no dey sign shit packer. They sign person, we know say that person na baller. So I don't know how Arsenal go react. Arsenal never respond. So if Arsenal respond, I go let una know. My own prayer be say Arsenal will respond positively because this one we say we don't see an agent dey for London Coney, which means things dey solve, things go happen anytime soon. At the same time, our monitoring spirit wey dem dey call Dean Jones, wey be our super pundits, don come outside dey let us know say for dis deal wey Arsenal wan sign Vlahovic, say Arsenal get 25% na im be the chances wey dem get to sign Vlahovic, because everybody knows say Vlahovic say na the end of the summer he wan leave Syria. So Arsenal just dey try all their best because they know say na now dem get fighting chance. At the end of the summer, they don't stand a chance. So na that 25% na Arsenal dey hustle for. Say just the hope say Arsenal go get their player. So at the same time, when they cast their net outside, they look for other people, but this Vlahovic go no work. Still on the Vlahovic matter, even Mikel Sylvester, who will be one of our super pundits, don come outside now. They talk say for Arsenal to sign with some Vlahovic, Arsenal must make sure say they go end for Champions League slots, because this guy na Champions League player. So that's the only way we fit attract a player of this kind of caliber. You no go fit attract am with just EPL. You get na Champions League, gone, not Europa League, Champions League. Na go fit bring this kind of player. So if Arsenal get any hopes, say they wan sign the guy, even if na for summer, so they wan fight the time against the big boys. They gats make sure say at the end of the summer they don end for the top four, so that they go fit carry their Champions League certificate. They show the guy say, "Omo, we dey go Champions League, go Baba come join us, so no time." Omo, for the match wey dem go play today between Liverpool and Arsenal, Michael Owen, wey be our super pundit, don come outside dey predict the match. So back on the top, say in dey see Liverpool winning Arsenal 2-1, in dey see 2-1. And the way when they say am say Arsenal dey at home, say Arsenal go get a lot of possession, so a lot of spaces go dey for Liverpool to exploit. You no go be like when they play for Anfield, where Arsenal play 10 man behind the ball, where they get red card, wey Xhaka don get red card. We say they come play defensive all throughout from the 26th minute to the end of the game. Wey dem no give any space to get. Say this time around e go different. Say Liverpool dey like match. We say spaces dey, attack me, attack you, end to end score. They like all those kind of things. And for this match, they see Liverpool winning 2-1. I don't know how I feel about it, Baba talk. Even some people talk say na your opinion be that. But me, I no dey fear about what Baba dey talk. Na Emirates, with our 12th man wey dey there, nothing dey sup. But yeah, Liverpool go collect. Say, when I no fear. On my familiar setting, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta say how far na this Aubameyang wey come return from AFCON early, wetin dey sup with him matter na. So back on talk say omo say you no understand wetin sup, say they talk say Aubameyang get coronavirus. The next thing wey they hear be say they don send am comot for camp, say make they come back to Arsenal. Say no, say the Gabon FA no really give them enough clarity. But wetin dey sup with Aubameyang now be say they don put am for test, yeah, they don test the guy, the physio dey work on am. So anyhow which way, say their own priority na to make sure say the player health dey very very good. Say any other updates wey dey for health, they go let them know, because this one be say they don say get heart lesions, you get coronavirus rescue, they never really know. Na the physio go come outside come talk say okay, see wetin dey sup with the guy, whether he don recover fully, whether he don tender negative PCR test or lateral flow test. You go know as everything dey sup in the coming days. At the same time, Saudi giants wey dem dey call Al Nassr don lodge a loan offer for Aubameyang, and dem come dey offer £8 million as a loan with an obligation to buy. So they wan carry Aubameyang on loan go Saudi Arabia. Then if he come play the loan finish to the end of the season, then they come get an obligation to buy him for £8 million. So Arsenal never respond. This one na official. They don let Arsenal know wetin dey sup. So Arsenal never respond. If they respond, I go let you know. But I know say Aubameyang even go there. So they busted like man, and because people dey dey ship back. So I never know whether himself go like to move to Saudi Arabia, or he go like to play in chances for this England wey we dey. Well, so they watch as everything dey come. Fabrizio Romano don come outside again. This guy na our Sky Sports pundit, so Baba don come outside, na powerful journalist. So they let us know say this Vlahovic matter, he just wan confirm some kind things. Say Arsenal, truly, Arsenal dey fight for how they go sign the guy for this January. But Vlahovic don let people know say na for the summer he dey reason say he wan move. You get, no be now. So Arsenal don dey try all their best so that they go fit convince am to move. So na wetin with the status quo now. So more dey watch in the coming days. Today is 19th now, abi? More dey watch in the coming days. Then anything wey be sup, we go let una know. At the same time, they come dey ask Mikel Arteta about the North London derby wey dem postpone. So many people dey para. Even Antonio Conte don come outside. Don say Arsenal dey cheat the system. Even Gary Neville, Carragher, many people don come outside. Many pundits talk against the postponement, say e no make sense. They go use their under-23 side play this and that. So I ain't go take response. Back on talk say, you know say people dey talk from different sides of their mouth. Say if you remember for the early part of the season wey Arsenal play against Brentford, wey dem get some kind players out, they still play the match like that. They use some kind small league, play the match. Even against Nottingham Forest, they get like 10 players out. They use money, play the match. Arsenal lose. Now the same pundits, I come outside and say, why would you use your small players? Why would you use your small league, play these matches and you lost? You're supposed to apply for a postponement. They don't apply that time. Now we say officially they don't get up to 10 players, young men when they play match, they go apply for postponement. Now this same pundit now go come and say, why you go apply for postponement? This and that. So they don't use your small league. Say, you don't really understand. But what you know go want, and maybe people come to come and lie against Arsenal, say he go defend Arsenal with tooth and nails, he go fight very, very hard to protect Arsenal interest, and he go like to set the record straight. The truth of the matter is that Arsenal did not have up to the required number of players to play the match. It was 13 outfield players and a goalkeeper. So anybody they come outside they talk not a different thing again to make you know what you do. As in Baba talk plenty. I mean, I don't want to lose my own concentration. I'm not going to talk. I'm not going to make people invest because I did para because as I watched that interview, part of plenty. But the Coco will say you don't get enough players, so maybe people they lie, stop lying. At the same time, they call the ask about say how far Partey, whether Partey go play against Burnley. This one say Ghana don't come out for AFCON. So Baba can say that's true. The Ghana don't come out, unfortunately for Partey. So they expect the guy anytime soon, so that he will come play in the match against Burnley. ASAP, you get. Then the guy go enter the first flight on Emirates, so they expect the guy may come back, rest, do some training, but we'll see how the match will go against Burnley. Because as things stand, I'm not sure say Partey will play the match we will get today against Liverpool. So we'll keep him against Burnley for weekend. Well, a good thing, sha. At the same time, they ask me about injury updates. We don't come back, we never come back. So back on to say, no one lets the cat out of the bag yet. So Baba don't let us know who don't come back or who never come back. The only thing we say, we see people they train for London Cone, we see Odegaard, we see Martinelli, I don't see Tomiyasu. For that one, I don't see him. So we see Chambers, we see Ramsdale, we see Lacazette, I don't see Saka. So now when we see the team sheets, we know who they are available, who they are available for now. We just won't let anybody know what's in the self now until we see team sheets. Well, we'll keep our fingers crossed, say our players don't come back. But yeah, we'll enter match of the day. Liverpool versus Arsenal second leg Carabao Cup tie. Today, Arsenal will host Liverpool for the EFL Cup second leg tie as the first leg ends 0-0. Arsenal they play at home, so we get the belief say we will progress. Arsenal don't win only one out of the last 17 games against Liverpool in all competitions. Although on a positive note, Arsenal never lose any home League Cup match against Liverpool as they win 3, draw 3 for their last 6 matches. We never know who Arteta will put for first 11, so keep your fingers crossed. And just to all of us, my Emirates today, so when I know here, we get our 12th man when they back us. So this game, anything can happen. When I don't forget when we play Man City, you get we shock them. If not be that 5 minutes madness, so we say things go happen, red card, so we say we won't lose control of everything. Man City will collect. So today, I know we'll tell you say me, I just say Liverpool will collect for today. So my own prediction, I see that kind 2-0. So I don't know what to be my own prediction. When I let me know. And if you don't watch yesterday update, check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get yesterday's updates and get updated and make you not miss anything with concern Arsenal Football Club. So it's Sachuk signing out. Have a great day and get out.